Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm here with a very nice, cute costume idea. This is your fancy dress competition dress idea. So first of all, I want to say thank you to all the Indian community and Pakistani and everywhere the videos are being watched. The costumes are being watched. They watch and they appreciate and they comment. Thank you so much everybody. So for making this ghost costume, I'm using a swaddle wrap that was like available at home. And first I made a triangle with this square shape swaddle wrap. And I showed you the stuff as well. I made a triangle. You can see I'm making triangle, and now I will make zigzag pattern in the bottom side with the help of scissors. So this is a no sew costume, and you can see now I'm cutting a zigzag pattern from the downside of this poncho. So you will just cut out the zigzag shape with scissors. So I made this triangle piece double, so that's why it's a little bit difficult to cut, but this is the way you will cut this and make the zigzag shape, and this way it will give a very nice spooky look. So keep cutting the zigzag shape, and later on you have to make eyes, nose and lips of the ghost. Then we will cut the neck side, neckline. So now I will take this black felt sheet. It is a fabric, thick fabric, and I'll draw eye shape, and I'm using blue chalk, and I'll draw shape of the eye. You can draw any shape of any devil kind of any scary eyes shape you can draw. And here is my shape of the eyes, and this is the double felt sheet piece. These are the two pieces. So if you draw on one side, and it will automatically make the second eye as well. So let's cut it, and my eyes are ready. This is the shape of the eyes. I tried to make it look scary eyes. So this is the lips and mouth of the ghost, and you will draw any shape of the scary lips on this black felt sheet, black fabric, and later on you will cut it with the help of scissors. I'm trying to make it little scary and zigzag lips shape. You can see. Now I will cut it, and later on I'll paste it with the help of glue. You can take any glue, hot glue or any gum. After making the scary lips and mouth of the ghost, I'm making nostrils, and now it's time to paste the eyes, nose and mouth with the help of glue. And this is the front side of the costume. This is the front side of the fabric, so I'll use this glue. Let's paste it with the help of glue. You can use ice cream stick or any other stick for pasting the glue, so it will not get stick on your hands. So it's time to paste the lips or the mouth of the ghost. So leave a gap for the nostrils and apply the felt sheet or black fabric on this shirt, this poncho. So now I'm making eyes. Again I'll cut this red fabric. This is the fabric, I got it from some grocery store. This is also fabric. You can take any fabric or felt sheet, red felt sheet, and cut two circles. Now I'm going to make a small hole in the neck side, and later on I'll measure it with the help of shirt. So I'll take any random shirt, you can see, and I'll measure the neck. So here is the shirt. I'll just mark two corners and draw a circle and cut it with the scissors. So let's cut it, and you can sew it with the help of needle. So as I told you, this is no sew costume, it's very quick, so I'm not sewing it. So now I'm going to apply the nostrils with the help of same glue, and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, and especially for Indian पाकिस्तानी सब फैंस के लिए एप्रिसिएशन के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. कीप वॉचिंग, कीप सपोर्टिंग. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.